Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run TikTok ads in the UAE. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Now, navigate to the Profile tab in the bottom menu. Then, go to the three bars in the top right corner and tap TikTok Studio. In the TikTok Studio, you can find the analytics of your account. Scroll down and open the Promote option. Begin by selecting your goal like Get Sales. Then, click on More Website Visits to open the Your Landing Page section. Pick the Call to Action option and input your website URL. Once you've entered the URL, press Save. Go back and tap Save to apply changes to your landing page. Now, in the Select Creative section, pick the video you want to advertise. Following that, select the Custom option to define your audience. To select an audience, choose the gender, age, and interest, then tap Save. Go back and select your budget by sliding the bar or edit it according to your requirements. Once confirmed, tap to select the ad's duration. After that, preview the promotional ad or video. When you're done, press the Recharge button. Ensure you have some coins in your balance before proceeding. Then, select the Recharge option and tap Recharge again. Lastly, choose a payment method by linking a credit or debit card. Finally, your TikTok ad will now be able to run on your UAE account. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.